Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing, and the highlight of the briefing is the rainfall and thunderstorm activity will continue over the parts of northwest India during next 24 hours, and from the 2nd of June there will be the gradual reduction in rainfall activity over the entire northwest India, and the heat wave conditions which will continue to prevail over some parts of the east India, mainly over the Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim during next 5 days. And we will also look for the advancements of the southwest monsoon over the Indian region. So if we look for the observed weather during past 24 hours, then yesterday the hailstorm activity occurred over the Uttarakhand and over one or two places over the Madhya Maharashtra. Yesterday the heavy rainfall occurred at one or two places over Himachal Pradesh, northern parts of Rajasthan, Kerala, Goa and Karnataka. And yesterday very heavy rainfall occurred at isolated places over Uttarakhand. Similarly, yesterday the heat wave conditions prevailed over some parts of the East Bihar and some parts of the West Bengal and Sikkim area, which are shown in the yellow color. If we look for the monsoon advancement, then today the southwest monsoon has advanced into some parts of the South Arabian Sea, which are shown in the blue color line, and this southwest monsoon has further advanced into some more parts of the South Bay of Bengal, some more parts of the Andaman Sea, and some more parts of the East Central Bay of Bengal on today. And the atmospheric conditions are also becoming favorable for the advancement of the southwest monsoon into some more parts of the South Arabian Sea, some more parts of the South Bay of Bengal, some more parts of the Andaman Sea, some more parts of the East Central Bay of Bengal, and some parts of the Northeast Bay of Bengal, and it will also cover some more parts of the Comorian and Maldives area during next 48 hours. If you look for the maximum temperature, then yesterday the maximum temperatures were mainly below 40 degrees centigrade over maximum parts of most parts of the country, except some parts of the East India and some parts of the Central India, where the maximum temperatures were around 42 to 43 degrees centigrade. However, the maximum temperatures were in the range of 28 to 34 degrees centigrade over many parts of the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh and northern parts of the Rajasthan because of the ongoing rainfall activity over the region. If we look for the temperature forecast, then mainly over the northwest India, the maximum temperatures very likely to rise by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade during next 5 days. And there will not be any significant change over the maximum temperature over many parts of the East India and the Central India during next 2 days. And after the 48 hours, the maximum temperatures very likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over the East and Central India. And because of the humid weather and because of the high temperatures, there will be the discomfort weather will continue to prevail over some parts of the coastal areas of Maharashtra during next 2 days. And if you look for the today's synoptic features, so today a western disturbance which lies over the Jammu division and adjoining Pakistan area in the middle tropospheric levels and the lower tropospheric levels, a cyclonic circulation lies over the Punjab and another cyclone lies over the southwest Rajasthan. Because of those cyclonic cyclonic systems, the cloud cover can be seen in this satellite picture over the most parts of the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, some parts of the west Uttar Pradesh and some parts of the north Rajasthan. And over the south peninsular India, a cyclonic circulation lies over the coastal Andhra Pradesh and adjoining Bay of Bengal area in the lower tropospheric levels. And the cloud cover can also be seen over the many parts of the south peninsular India, and even we can see the moderate to intense convection over the Karnataka coast and over the Kerala coast. And over the Southeast Arabian Sea, a cyclonic circulation is very likely to develop around 5th of June, and under the influence of the cyclonic circulation, a low pressure area is very likely to form over the Southeast Arabian Sea during subsequent 48 hours. It means the low pressure area will form around 6th of June over the Southeast Arabian Sea. Because of these synoptic features, if we look for the weather forecast over the country for the next 5 days, so as we have seen that the major weather activity will continue over the northwest India mainly during next 24 hours, and after that there will be the reduction in rainfall activity. So we have given the yellow color warning mainly for the Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh only for today, and from tomorrow onwards there is no weather warning. because there will not be any severe weather. And similarly, the weather activity will continue over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during next 2 days. So we have given the yellow color warning for the region for the till the 2nd of June. Since 3rd of June onwards, there is no severe weather is likely over the mainly over the entire northwest India. However, the light rainfall activity and thunderstorm activities at 1 or 2 places will continue over the Rajasthan area during next 5 days. And there is not any significant weather over the most parts of the East India, Central India and the West India. But another the weather activity will be confined to the South Peninsular India. Even in the South Peninsular India, major activity will lies over the South Interior Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and coastal Karnataka, which will continue during next 5 days. So because of that, the heavy rainfall is very likely over the Kerala during next 5 days, over the South Interior Karnataka and coastal Karnataka and the Tamil Nadu area on today, that is 1st of June. And if you and even on today and tomorrow, the hailstorm activity are also likely over the Uttarakhand. If you look for the heat wave conditions, then the heat wave conditions will continue to prevail over the West Bengal, over the Bihar and over the Sikkim area during next 5 days. So for all the 5 days, we have given the yellow color warning. And from the 22nd of June, the heat wave conditions will start over the some parts of the Madhya Maharashtra, some parts of the Vidarbha and some parts of the Chhattisgarh, and these heat wave conditions will prevail over those areas from on 2nd of June and on similarly on the 3rd of June also. And there is no significant weather over the Northeast India. From the 4th, even from the 3rd June itself, there is no significant weather over the entire Northwest India, entire West India, so as which can be seen in the green color. However, the weather activity will continue over the South Peninsular India, even the some parts of the Peninsular India which are shown in the yellow color. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website and you can follow us on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Thank you.